Right, we're going to try again and see what happens here. Yeah, what? Yes, we're doing a video here of a horse. This is a horse. This is fur that's coming off here, just with a bit of a rub here. And we get this and we go whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. This is the front end of the horse here. It's called the head. That's part of a horse. This is the back end of a horse here. And this back end here, this part under the tail here, is called the politician aspect of the horse there. And we come up here and see Mr. Chance. Hey, Mr. Chance, what are you thinking? Morning, say good morning. Thank morning, Chance, yes, good boy. And he's got the same problem, I'd imagine, up here on the back here. Not as bad, but he needs a good groom. And then we got this boy up here, he's a champion, this one. And he's not a quarter horse, he's a whole horse, but a whole horse quarter horse. Aren't you, eh? There's a whole horse quarter horse. He's a good boy. And his fur coat's very nice. And then we've got the lady over here. The old girl, she's not an old girl. Not when you compare it to the age of some of them. Crystal, I'll sing her a song. Oh, the crystal chandeliers light up the ceiling and the wall.